Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to our channel. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about key clothes reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple women fashion clothing wears including tops, dresses, jumpsuits, bottoms, accessories, shoes, etc. And talking about the payment information, so here is the payment method option. You can take a look here and you can make the payment via PayPal or with credit cards. Now, talking about the shipping policy of this website, let's check out the shipping and delivery information. So, guys, you can see the shipping time will take around 10 business days and the delivery day duration is 14 business days. Now, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a secure HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign, but the domain name was created on 26th of October 2020. So we can't claim this site legit on the basis of domain age factor. And talking about the other information, let's explore the entire information, including about us information. So this is the about us page info. Guys, they have provided improper about us information, which is a negative sign, and this makes the site quite suspicious. Apart from that, they have mentioned only email address in the contact us page. They have not provided the official address, contact number, which is again a bad sign, and they have provided the suspicious contact details over the contact us page. Now, talking about the social media presence, so you can see the site has social media presence on Facebook. They have mentioned the Facebook icon on the website, but guys, they have recently created their profile on Facebook, which is a negative sign, and only they have 6 followers on this page. So this is again a bad sign and we can't trust on this website easily. Now, talking about the return policy of this website, you need to visit the return and exchange page. So here they have mentioned a 15 days of return policy. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product because it will give benefit to other customers. And talking about key clothes reviews, we didn't found customer reviews on the official website because they have not provided the customer reviews on official website, which is a negative sign. And we don't have much information regarding the reviews section, guys, because this site has low trust ranking and the trust index score of the site is 2%, which is really very bad. The site seems to be not much popular online, guys. That's why the site can't be trusted. And apart from that, they have mentioned suspicious details on the website. Guys, they have provided the limited description of products. You can take a look here. And apart from that, bulk buy option is available on the website, which is again a negative sign. So we can't trust on this website easily, guys. There are so many loopholes, and yes, the low trust ranking of this site, the low popularity of the website, improper about us information, incomplete contact us details, suspicious contact details, low social media presence, zero security measures, unavailability of company's information led to believe us that it is highly a suspicious website and you should stay away from such type of websites, guys. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.